Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Emily, and in today's video I will be creating two slimline cards using some new products from Scrap Diva Design's latest release. And I started off by using a product that I was so inspired about when I saw the sneak peeks, and that was the Fringe, I think you can pronounce it that way, birthday balloons and Fringe star bundle, I guess. And yeah, it comes with these really fun pieces to create Frenches on top of balloons and stars. I think you can get an idea when you are looking what I'm creating here. And I just cut my French to be in different sizes to just layer on top, and I just cut them with my scissors, so they weren't perfect, but it's okay, it's a homemade card. And yeah, I just think it was really nice to have like the same color combination here, so teal and pink and green and yellow and orange. You can see the rainbow colors there, and I just cut them in different sizes, and in some of them I mixed in some specialty paper. For example, I used that holographic paper and some gold. And here is the Slimline products that were released this month, and this is the honeycomb Slimline card and the star Slimline card, and both of these are amazing. It comes with a backer piecer thingy here that I am using for measuring my card, and this is just something I'm liking to do when I am creating cards, just to have that perfectly sized card base. You can see that teeny tiny stitched detail that this creates is really pretty. And for the paper I'm using the Pebbles Live Life Happy collection. And here is another piece of holographic cardstock. You can see the honeycomb didn't all pop out, so I actually saved them inside of my pattern to create a new pattern. And I used some foam adhesive to the back of all of these to keep them attached, and to also make my life a little bit easier when I'm attaching this. But of course something went wrong and I needed to peel this off. This is why I'm liking to use liquid glue when I am using foam, just so I have that wiggle room. But it was okay today, but I was really struggling here to get it down straight. So a little bit of liquid adhesive had helped me a long way. And I love that you can see that green card pattern paper in the background with those polka dots. I think it's really nice, and I just kept one and made sure that I had a pretty pattern with those honeycombs, and you can see all of the shine that this gives. And now I'm gonna use another product. This is the Party Words, and it has all of these amazing sentiments that you can build up. And you can see I have laid out my balloons the way I think I like them, and I'm trying different sentiments here, and I will go with happy birthday. So you can see I'm just laying it out so I know exactly which space I have left. And I will cut it out of a white cardstock 3 times, and then I will layer a yellow piece of cardstock to the top. You can see my rainbow there, it's only like yellow and purple that I'm missing, but it's okay, I tied it in with a yellow sentiment. So that is yeah, something I really like to do to make this card a little bit fun, just to stack all of these. It takes some time. You can use foam if you like. I like building up my sentiment with scrap pieces of paper and just running it through my machine a couple of times. So there we have the birthday, and then we will do the same thing on top of some vellum with a happy. So I'm just using liquid glue to the back of this, and my kids are here in the room. You probably saw William's hand there in the corner. And for my second card I will be using the Hooray, and I'm doing the same thing here, just building up my sentiment. For the star background I cut my backer piece out of some gold cardstock, and then the star pattern, I tried different versions of this, but I love this clean and simple one the best. So this is some cream colored cardstock, and I will have my stars that also are like really pretty and rainbowy on top of it. And now I'm trying to arrange my stars and my balloons for the best of my ability, and I'm also using foam squares for this, just to make sure that I have a bit of dimension to the back of all of this. And yeah, I really love how this turned out. I think these cards were really easy to put together, but it has a wow factor to it, and I love that it's a slimline. Slimline cards is something I really enjoy creating, and I think these like products makes it super easy to be creative. All the layers are already there for you, and all you have to do is do the embellishment part. So I hope you, if you're interested in trying out these products, I will have them listed down below. I had a blast, and I know that you will too. And yeah, I'm just attaching it to my perfectly sized card bases, the one we created in the beginning of this video. And now I will leave you with some close-ups of both my projects. And of course, as I mentioned, I will have links down below for all of the products I used in this video. And until next time, I hope you have a great day. Bye!